Right, your turn, Tim and Jeremy. Your title's now being exhibited on the laser display board, and here again is the mystery voice for listeners at home.
The Sopranos. The Sopranos.
So what is it?
It's television.
Television, 2 words.
2 words, and it goes something like this.
Hey, you! You talking to me? Yeah, you! Mezzo! Nobody calls me Mezzo. What do they call you? Shorty. Okay, Shorty, I got a job for you. What kind of job? Saturday morning, it's a wedding. You sure it's a wedding? I don't want no funeral. Ain't gonna be no funeral. What if someone sings? You're supposed to sing, like a canary. I ain't no canary. Listen, you gotta sing, oh, for the wings of a dove. You're with me. No, I ain't with you, you The end of our careers.
Whatever it is, it's a good edit.
Sopranos.
Sopranos.
Sopranos.